what are you doing there, Tommy?
Putting hardened seats in.
Well, let's see it. So you're cutting them out. So I see you got the seats out. So you've welded the seats out. Then you just go down till you touch.
Next
That way it's not so hard on the cutters.
Right.
Okay. And this thing, what the heck are we working on here?
An Iveco 4.5.
It kind of looks like a 3.9 Cummins, but the specs are different.
Yeah.
And so this is out of a 445 skid steer case. Just an Iveco. It's a weird motor. Okay, well, we'll look at it when you're cutting the seats. Sounds good. Thanks, Tommy. Okay, so you've got 3 of them cut to the height you wanted. What height are you taking them to?
I'm taking them 15.
Okay.
15 in the hole.
And then you'll surface, and they're supposed to be 4 to 33. Mm-hmm. Okay, so whatever you take off there, you're going to be in a good spot.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And how much press fit do those seats have?
7,000.
Yeah, they're not going anywhere.
Right there, I'm at 0. I have 15 more thousands to go.
Good deal. We'll watch you do 15 thousandths. That's kind of cool. So you've got your indicator set, and you just know exactly where you're going. That's awesome. It's nice when you know your machine and you know how to get the chatter out and get Okay. So you got the exhaust. You got the exhaust done now, and
You got her at 20.
nice. Well, I mean, you got to surface the head, and it's in specs right now. Yeah, that's perfect. Now they were obviously before it was sitting at 50 thousandths, which 33 is the high, so it was way beyond. So good deal. Thanks, Tommy. Okay. We got all the seats cut. They're to the ride height. And basically we're only taking 2 thousandths off the head, just enough to make it good and flat and take out where the compression ring of the gasket was. And it's turning out fantastic. Next thing we'll straighten out these thread holes. Now, that one was so far off center that this will not work. We got to use the heavy duty one, and it just made it. So we're putting the heavy duty one in this one. I don't know who drilled it, what they were doing, but it'll be perfect this time. This one won't be so far off. It'll be able to go in with the other one, but definitely not a helical. Okay, so what I did on this one is I zeroed on this hole, okay, and then I took it in, same thing as I did on the other hole. I took it in 3 inches 50 thousandths, that's what it is. And now I'm going to machine that out and tap it, same as I did the other hole. Only I think this one will clean up. It's just it just cleaned up on that side, like just cleaned up. So we'll be able to use the smaller of the two larger this time. So one of them's getting the big one of them's getting the other. All right. I'm finish honing the last hole right now. It's turning out fantastic. We'll get this sucker done for you, I'd say Monday, maybe even tomorrow, but it should be ready to pick up Monday.